Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we start the second part of chapter 8. This part is also very easy. Now we learn how to insert rows and columns. I insert here some data, and after this in home tab you can see here cells group, and inside cell group there is option insert. So when we click on insert, you can see there are further four options: insert cells, insert sheet rows, or insert sheet columns, or insert sheet. Okay, so I want to insert cells, so it say it again further four options: shift cells right, shift cells down, or entire row or entire column. Suppose I select, this time my cursor is here. Okay, so I suppose I say shift cells down, so you can see these cells go down, and further and a new cell is appear here. Okay, now suppose I put my cursor here this side and go insert tab, insert cells, and suppose I say again say this option. Okay, so then you can see this appear here. Okay, now I put my cursor here and go here and insert cells and shift cells right. Okay, first option, so you can see this move to right side. So this is very easy method to change anything in your sheet. Again I put my cursor here and click here, insert cells, and like entire row. Okay, so you can see a complete row is appear. Okay, this new row is appear here. Okay, now again I want to delete something, like I keep my cursor here Aisha, and here in home tab there's cells group, format and delete option. Here you can see delete cells, so I write delete cell. There are further four options in delete cells: shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row or entire column. So I don't want entire row, I just shift cells up. Okay, so you can see this, only this side deleted, this remain as it is. Okay, if I control Z, you can see this appear again. Now you understand. And if I click on redo this, like this one. Okay, now last option is format cells. So what is the meaning of format? If you want to increase the width of this row or column, so what we do, go on format tab, here row height, click on this, predefined is 15, so I change this, I write it like 25, and okay, you can see this height is increased. Okay, this is by using these groups and tabs, but by mouse you can only drag this. Before this I explain this, you just drag this height is increased, and same in column you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, and if you want to insert, like by using mouse, like right click, you can see options insert. Now again these four options appear here. I say entire or entire column, so you can see one more column is appear here. And if I click here insert tab, you can see entire row. Okay, so by using mouse click you can insert rows or columns, and same in mouse you can, like suppose I select this one and right click and delete. So again four options, so I say entire column, so you can see this column is deleted. Okay, but I click on Control Z, disappear again. Okay, now I explain another thing to you. For example, I don't want this one, or I click here and insert entire column. Okay, sorry, I put this here and insert entire column. Okay, this column is appear in the center. Now I want to show only one thing here, I don't want this one, delete this here. Okay, here suppose I write names, and here I want to insert anything, so go on insert tab and go on picture group. Inside pictures, click here. If you have any picture like this one, suppose this, insert. Okay, this become very big picture. Now you drag this and change the size of this picture, because I zoom this, so I change the size of this picture. Drag this, okay. Now you can see this picture is appear here, and if you want to increase, like I increase this cell size here, I also want to increase the cell size, so this become more clear, and also increase this size. Click on this picture and go on the corner and increase the size like this one, and from the down like this one. Okay, in this way you can insert the picture, and like this one. If you want second picture here, first increase the cell size and put your cursor here, and go in insert tab, pictures group, and select any other picture, for example this flower, and insert. So again you can see this flower is appear. Again decrease the size of this flower, and this will be appear in this box. Now you can see the flowers are appear here. Okay, this is another thing how you insert the flowers, and if you write any names here, details of the flowers like this one. And if you want to change the color of the boxes, you can change color of each box like this one, because this is yellow flower, so you can change like yellow, or like this one. And suppose like here you want another flower, and you change the color of this box, sorry this one, and like this one. Okay, in this way you can change the colors like this one, or apply another shade. Okay, and here you write, insert the text, increase or decrease the size of the cell, delete rows, columns like this one. So all this is in your chapter. I hope you understand this also. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.